In this video, we'll show you how to fix the error loading tap to retry issue on YouTube. If you're seeing this message when you try to open the YouTube app or visit youtube.com, don't worry, we've got a few simple solutions for you. The first thing I recommend is heading into your device settings. On iPhone, go to General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find the YouTube app in the list. If you're on Android, you can follow similar steps to locate YouTube in your settings. Once you find it, select Offload App on iPhone or clear the cache and make sure the app is updated on Android. This will clear any temporary files and force the app to update to the latest version. Once that's done, open the app again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, let's check your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for speed test. Run the test to ensure your internet is working properly. Sometimes, this error occurs because the device is having trouble connecting to YouTube's servers due to slow or no internet. If your internet is fine, the next step is to check if YouTube is down. Go to a website like Down Detector and search for YouTube to see if there's a spike in reported outages. If there's an issue with YouTube's servers, you might just need to wait it out. Typically, these outages are resolved within a few hours. Finally, if all else fails, try using YouTube in a web browser instead of the app. Sometimes, the app might be causing issues, especially on older devices. Just open a browser and go to youtube.com to see if the website works better. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button, it really supports me. Thanks for watching.